There's one setting I want you to change in JASP before we do any further work. This is going to affect the way that JASP displays percentages in contingency and frequency tables. Once you've loaded your data, as I've explained in the previous video, go up here and click on the tab and go down here to Preferences. So you'll see that there are three preference tabs, one for data, one for results, and this advanced one here. On the data tab, we can set missing values. So if you remember, in SPSS we used to define missing values by using, say, 999 or 9999 or -1 or some characters. So we will come back to this later, but for now you don't need to do anything on this one. What I do want you to change is in the results tab. So I want you to make sure that your results window in your version of JASP looks the same as mine. We want JASP to display exact p-values. If this box isn't checked, just make sure it is checked. And we want to fix the number of decimals at 2. And we'll see why that's important in the next video when we look at frequency and contingency tables. Finally, if you want to, you can change the resolution of the images. It's not necessary because since you'll just be pasting these most likely into a Word document, the default 300 is fine. But if you find later on that some of your graphs are looking a little bit, blocky or a little bit low resolution, you can come back here and you can change this. We don't need to change anything in the Advanced tab. So when you're finished, to close this down, you can either click anywhere here in the data window, or if you want to get out of any of these menus at any point, you can just click the back arrow and it'll take you back to the data.